The Pastaline Maxi Sfogly NSF Electric Dough Sheeter. For perfect crust and baked goods, chocolate and marzipan modeling, and short crust, rich and crumbly pasta, the Pastaline Maxi Sfogly NSF Electric Dough Sheeter has a reputation for being one of the best dough sheeters for all things sweet. The Pastaline Maxi uses an 18-inch roller, 2.4 inches in diameter, to help create masterpieces. Weighing in at 60 pounds, this dough sheeter rests on a tabletop and is certified to draw dough into thin, perfectly even sheets up to 1/2 millimeter just after a few passes. In comparison, an average sheet of paper is 0.1 millimeters. For commercial or home use, the Pastaline Maxi Sfogly is an easy-to-clean machine, and the dough scrapes and springs can be easily removed for general cleaning and light maintenance. NSF certified to comply with a high standard of performance. Now for a few pros. 1. Easy to operate. 2. Sturdy and well built. 3. Cleaning this dough sheeter is a breeze. How about a few cons? 1. Limited dough functionality. 2. Not meant for larger production or quantity. And 3. Not meant for creation of pizza, pita, or pasta.